I wasted 1 year trying to promote high-ticket products. And then this happened. Check this out. This one was a high-ticket affiliate marketing commission, $748. As you can see on the screen, $48, $73, $3.50. So I tried to promote high-ticket products and I couldn't succeed. And I was trying and trying for 1 year. And here's the thing. I reached to a certain point and I said to myself, I need help. Because I didn't want to waste my time trying to figure this out by myself. And so basically I started to looking for mentors. And I found an online course. The cost was $7. And I just took action and I bought the course. And basically it was a 3-day challenge. So the first day had a lot of information about affiliate marketing, how can you make commissions, success stories, the different traffic sources we can use in affiliate marketing. And it was cool. But the second day had a step-by-step tutorial about how to create a sales funnel. And you know what? I did everything. If the video said go to this page, I went to the same page. Click here, I clicked there. Put these words here, I'm going to write the same words. And on the third day, I learned how to drive traffic to my funnel. And then I started to work with those frameworks. And days went by and eventually, one sale. It was like $3. And then I made a high ticket sale, $700. And it was like amazing for me because made $700 in 1 day. It's really cool. And right now I'm going to show you the exact page I used to make the high ticket affiliate marketing commissions. This is the first page. It has this title, the 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. And when people click this button, it's going to open this pop-up and people can put here their name and their email address. And then they are going to be redirected to this page in which I tell him that please check their email for the free ebook. And this page has 2 buttons. If they want to message me, they can click here. And when people click yes, show me how, they will go to the next page. And when they click here, get started today, they are going to access my affiliate link. And if someone buys through that link, I can earn a commission. So right now I'm going to show you the automation part. I'm going to click here. And these are all the emails that I have set up. So this software, the name is Getresponse, can send all the information. And inside of the emails, people are going to find my affiliate links. The next step is to drive traffic to your funnel. I'm using Instagram. You can put your affiliate, your link in the bio. I'm using Pinterest as well. I'm using LinkedIn too, and YouTube. I can create short form videos and upload the same video in those platforms. And now I'm going to give you a bonus. Although people don't like it because it takes time, but let me show you. I can create articles like this one. And I have optimized this article for this keyword, Freedom Accelerator Review. And when people write those keywords on Google, I'm right over here. And you can see on the screen, this is my article. And I have all the information related about this product. And when people click this green button, they're going to access a challenge. I'm going to send to them a free ebook and my free training. As you can see, guys, it takes work to make commissions with affiliate marketing, but it's possible. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.